Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mimi here, and today we're completing part 9 of our Vintage Blooms scrapbook album. We're almost to the halfway point, so that's pretty exciting. If you don't know, this is a 24-page part series, and every single page is going to be shared here on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe if you're interested in seeing all the other pages. So to start with this scrapbook page, I've got the green striped paper in the background, and I kind of wanted to add some like dimension, focal point, whatever you want to call it, to the back of the photo mat since it was white on the white and green. I don't know, just didn't really seem to pop for me. So I added this little pink half scrap onto the back, and I accidentally kind of taped it down up too high because I have this little happy camper line that you'll see in a second that I wanted to add, but then I taped it up too high. So I had to remove it and redo it, which you'll see all of it. But yeah, don't be afraid to make mistakes because it happens, and you can always remove stuff. And if you can't, if you rip the paper, whatever, you can fix it. Trust me, it's a scrapbook page. It is not life or death. You can always fix it, so don't be afraid. This picture here that we're featuring is of me, Jesse, and Matt, you know, me and all my siblings. And I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is Hershey Park, Hershey store. I think we were camping somewhere, I have to assume, and we went to the Hershey store. I don't think it was Hershey Park. If I had to guess, maybe I was in Maryland visiting my mom's cousins. I truly have no idea. But yeah, it's a cute picture nonetheless. Here I am gluing down that little happy thing. I used these little frames that came in this big, it was like a calendar scrapbook album or like scrapbook paper pad. I don't know if you've seen those at Michael's, but it had a bunch of embellishments in the back, and I got it from Goodwill for really cheap. And it had a bunch of these frames, so I really like the frames to kind of add just kind of shapes and like, I don't know, just as another embellishment. I don't really know how to describe it, but I really liked how it turned out. And that little love thing popped out of there, but I didn't end up using it on this page, but we definitely did use it. These cute little tangerine and lemons, I'm not sure where they kind of came from, but they are so cute, and I think they just go so perfect with the fun, springy, pastel, bright, happy vibes of this scrapbook album. If you're interested in using the scrapbook page for yourself, as you know, or maybe you don't know, I sell these as printable downloads over in my shop, and you can also get a free set to try out if you just sign up for emails, and you know, we become besties. It's kind of like I pay you to be my best friend, you know what I mean? But no, really, the emails are not going to be anything scary, just updates on YouTube. Maybe 3-4 times a week you'll get an email from me. But yeah, you can also get a free 3-page digital download set, and that's pretty awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and tape the photo in here, but I'm pretty sure that's about it for this page. So I'm really happy with the way this one came out. The pink and green, I feel like pink and green is just such a combo. I love it. But yeah, I hope this inspires you to create something. And as always, if it does inspire you, make sure you tag me. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, all the things. And I'd love to see what you create. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!